how to do. Today, let's learn how to save your Excel file as a PDF and make it look exactly how you want it to print. Selecting the print area. Setting specific pages. Using page break preview. Saving or printing to PDF using print. Let's start with setting the print area. First, select the cells or table you want to print. Go to Page Layout tab. Select Print Area. And set Print Area. Next, let's preview the layout using Page Break Preview. Go to the View tab and click Page Break Preview. Here, you'll see how your content is split across pages. You can click and drag the blue lines to adjust what fits on each page. If your data looks too squashed or spread out, go to the Page Layout tab. You can change orientation to landscape or portrait. Adjust scaling to fit all columns or rows on one page. And even set margins for cleaner spacing. Now, when everything looks good, let's save it as a PDF. Click File, then Save As. Choose your folder, and under Save As type, select PDF. Click on Options if you want to print a specific page range, the current sheet, or selected cells. Once done, click Save. Now your file has saved successfully in the selected area as a PDF. And saved PDF file will be opened automatically. There is another way you can use Print option to save pages as PDF files. You can also go to File then Print, choose Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. Adjust pages, orientation, and preview, then hit Print to create the PDF instantly. Now you can see PDF file where the destination you selected. And just like that, you've created a clean, print-ready PDF from Excel, perfect for sharing reports, invoices, or data tables. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Do for more smart Excel tips. See you next time.